The one question I get asked the most is the retirement income question. The question is, do I have enough to retire? Or if I'm still approaching retirement or still a ways away from retirement, am I on the path to have enough for retirement? And if not, how do I make sure I get back on that path? I've answered this question in all of its sort of glorious complexities with deep financial planning and lots of in-depth analysis for thousands of families over the last 3 decades. For myself, I've done that plan, but for myself, I keep coming back to this simple spreadsheet to keep myself on plan. This is my personal retirement plan spreadsheet, and it will completely answer both of these questions for the vast majority of people out there. There are lots of advisors out there charging thousands of dollars in fees that aren't doing this for their clients. This simple spreadsheet will do more for most people than most financial advice. I'm going to give it to you for free. And I hope you download it, and I hope you take advantage of it. And I'm super happy to share it with you and welcome you to the Mindful Money community.